Hi guys! So, magulo yung hair ko kasi kakagising ko lang. So, yung shift ko is night shift ako. Alam niyo yung night shift. Sobrang nakakabaliw. 9 a.m. na ako umuwi ng bahay. So, by the way, this is my food. I have salad here. Again, tortang talong. It's my favorite. And, to call this, afritada. It's afritada. It's Filipino food. I don't want to explain. Natutulog pa yung kaluluwa ko. No? And I will show you something. Pagising ko, meron ng ganito. Ewan po, multo ata yung nagluto. Sobrang laking moist cake. Kita niyo yan? Cake yan guys, cake. Ay, sino kayang kumain ng ganyang slice? Kainin ko ito, dessert. So again, magmumukbang na naman tayo. Kakain na naman tayo using my hand. O yan ha, may ano ako dyan, may marks. Hindi yan chikinini be. Kinamot ko yan. Kagaya ng pag